As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's reshaping industries, economies, and daily life. Embracing these changes can be daunting, but with the right approach, you can not only survive but thrive in the AI era. Here is a guide to help you navigate this transformative time. Number 1. Embrace lifelong learning. The rapid pace of technological change means that continuous learning is essential. Stay updated. Regularly follow industry news, attend webinars, and participate in online courses to stay informed about AI advancements and trends. Learn new skills. Focus on acquiring skills that complement AI technology. This includes both technical skills such as programming and data analysis, and soft skills such as critical thinking and emotional intelligence. Invest in education. Consider formal education opportunities such as degrees or certificates in AI, machine learning, or related fields. Many universities and online platforms offer specialized courses. Develop technical proficiency. Understanding the basics of AI can give you an edge in many fields. Programming. Learn languages such as Python, R, or Java can be beneficial as they are commonly used in AI development. Data literacy. Gain proficiency in data analysis and interpretation. Tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization softwares are valuable. AI tools and platforms. Familiarize yourself with AI and machine learning platforms like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and AWS AI services. Cultivate soft skills. While technical skills are important, soft skills are equally crucial in the AI era. Adaptability. The ability to quickly adapt to new technologies and processes is vital. Stay open-minded and willing to embrace change. Problem solving. AI can handle many tasks, but human creativity and problem solving are irreplaceable. Enhance your ability to think critically and devise innovative solutions. Communication. Clearly articulate ideas and collaborate effectively with others, including AI systems and team members. Focus on human-centric roles. Many roles that require empathy, creativity, and human interaction cannot be easily automated. Healthcare and social services. Careers in healthcare, counseling, and social work rely heavily on human empathy and interpersonal skills. Creative industries. Fields like art, music, writing, and design benefit from human creativity and originality, areas where AI can assist but not replace human input. Leadership and management. Effective leadership involves strategic thinking, motivating teams, and making complex decisions that often require a human touch. Leverage AI tools to enhance productivity. AI can be a powerful ally in improving your efficiency and effectiveness. Use AI tools to automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic and creative activities. Decision support. Employ AI-driven analytics to make data-informed decisions, enhancing your problem-solving capabilities. Personal assistants. Utilize AI personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant to make schedules, set reminders, and streamline daily tasks. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more prevalent, understanding its ethical implications is essential. Data privacy. Be aware of data privacy includes and ensure that any AI systems you use comply with relevant regulations and ethical standards. Bias and fairness. Recognize and address biases in AI algorithms. Strive to create and use AI systems that promote fairness and inclusivity. Social impact. Consider the broader impact of AI on society and advocate for the responsible and equitable use of AI technologies. Networking and collaboration. Building a strong professional network can open up opportunities in the AI era. Join professional communities. Engage with AI and technology communities through online forums, social media, and professional organizations. Attend conferences and meetups. Participate in industry events to learn from experts, share knowledge, and form valuable connections. Finally, collaborate across disciplines. Work with professionals from various fields to develop interdisciplinary skills and insights, enhancing your adaptability and innovation. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.